Okay guys, it's me Imat from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this tutorial we will learn about how to delete a file within Chash. So how we can do that? First of all, you can see the main window of our project. So here we need to click on new project. Now here you can see a lot of options. We need to click on Windows Forms application and click on OK. Now our project is opening. Now this is our main form. Click on toolbox, go to button and this. Okay, now we have taken our push button. Now we will double click on this push button and this will lead us to the callback function of that particular push button. So double click on it. Okay, now we are in the callback of this push button. What it means, whenever someone used to push this button, it will execute all the instructions that lie within this particular function. Okay, so now first we will write using system.io. Using system.io is one of our libraries, so we will use it in order to make some input output functions. Okay, so it is just like a library importing, so you need to write it, otherwise your code is not going to work. Now first of all, if we want to delete certain file, certain file, so first we will go for its path. So here we will declare string variable, string mypy is equal to, and at the rate of. Now what is this thing? String is actually the data type and mypy is the variable. Mypy is the variable in which we can store certain data. And which data? Obviously string type data, and we will write here the path of the specific file to be deleted within the double commas. So we will write here, okay, we will go to what's called as our, okay, we will make a new file. Let us suppose it's some text document. We will write r. Okay, and also we need to right click on it. We will go and take its path. Okay, now so like this, and we will write rr.txt. okay, so this is our, now all this path is stored inside this mypy variable. Okay, so now we will write file.delete. We just need to write file.delete. okay, and it will function for us. It will function for us, file.delete. okay, and now what will be inside the parameter braces? We need to write mypy, because we have to give certain parameters to this file.delete function. Okay, now run this code out, click on this, and our file has been deleted. So in this way you can delete any file with the help of Chash. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.